All right, we're back, folks. So, got some cardboard here. I just folded it and put it under there like that. So, I'm hoping I can then just put my pieces of wood right up on there after I screw this in a little bit. So, once again, screw this in a little bit. Screw the bottom in. Dun, dun, dun. Then I'm just going to screw the bottom in a little bit more because I just need to put these shims in here. Kind of wanted them to lay flat. Let's see. When I start screwing this in, I'm hoping that the shims will go against the plastic here. As it's tightening, it looks like they're lining up there, kind of. So excuse me. Okay. One side was working pretty good. Okay. Let's keep tightening this down here. All right. So, looks like it's worked out pretty good there. So that's the bottom one. And I'll do the, so it's, I'm going to check if this is good enough here. So the bottom, once I get this screwed in here, the bottom I think will be, undo this. Oh my goodness, what the heck just happened? Okay. Alright, so if I unscrew this here, this little bottom screw is out a bit. I'll just unscrew both of them, top and bottom here. Okay, so looking at this with the plate here, and once I screw that on there, yeah, that's about perfect. So I'm just going to get those pieces in there, and they're holding up against that nicely. The cardboard spacer helped hold them there, and then I'm just going to do the same thing here. I'm going to, this is kind of tight against that, so all I'm going to do is cut out a couple more spacers, put them behind it, and it'll kind of hold itself against it, and be right back, because it should be easier with one side done. So that's looking pretty good so far. We'll be right back.